Hello everyone, good morning to all of you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Till now we have completed 3 lessons. Today we are going to do lesson 4, les saisons, which means the seasons. Here is in picture you can see that there is four character: Akanksha, Pauline, Dennis and Kunal. They are discussing about the weather. So let's start. Des amis parlent du temps. Friends talk about the weather. Dennis, salut Akanksha, comment vas-tu? Hi Akanksha, how are you? Akanksha, je vais bien, mais il fait froid en France. I'm fine, good, but it's cold in France. Dennis, froid, il fait seulement 18 degrés. Cold, it's only 18 degrees temperature here. Akanksha, oui, mais j'ai froid. Yes, but I am feeling cold or I am cold. Dennis, alors, quelle saison aimais-tu? Okay, so which season do you like? Akanksha, au non, je préfère la moisson, la saison de pluie. In India, I prefer the monsoon, the rainy season. Dennis, tu n'aimes pas l'été? Tu n'aimes pas l'été, which means, do you like, uh, sorry, you don't like summer? Akanksha, no, pas du tout. No, not at all. Il fait trop chaud. It is very hot. Tu ne peux pas imaginer, which means you can't imagine. Dennis, mais ici nous préférons l'été. Il y a du soleil et il fait beau. On peut sortir. But here we prefer summer. It is sunny, but weather it is good and we can go outside. Pauline, moi, je n'aime pas l'automne. Pauline, me, I don't like fall. Il pleut and it's raining. Il fait du vent. Il, il fait du vent aussi, which means it is windy too. And c'est triste, which means it's sad. Kunal, le printemps prochain, next spring, nous irons en Inde avec ma famille. We will be going to the India with my family. Le temps passerait superbe. And the time or the weather is superb. D'abord, nous visiterons Delhi et Agra. First, we will visit Delhi and Agra. Ensuite, then, nous jetterons beaucoup de cadeaux pour nos amis en France. And will buy lots of gifts for our friends in France. Pauline, qu'est-ce qu'on fait maintenant? What do maintenant, which means what to do now? Nous allons rester ici. We will stay here. Ou nous allons voir un film. Or where we go to a film. Akanksha, voyons un film, sortons. Let's see movie. Let's go out. Here is question and answer. À toi répondez. Number first, quel temps fait-il en France en hiver? What is the weather in France? France in winter. En hiver, en France, il fait froid. In France, weather is like sorry, in winter it's cold in France. Como è la moisson au nord? What is the weather or monsoon is in India? La moisson, la moissonnante est la saison de pluie. In spring, the weather is good. Sorry, the monsoon in India is rainy season. Qu'est-ce que Akanksha aime l'été? Pourquoi? Does Akanksha like summer? Or no, il n'aime pas l'été parce que il fait trop chaud. No, she doesn't like because it's very hot. Est-ce que le français aime l'été? Which means does French like summer? Oui, le français aime l'été. Yes, the French love the summer. Like qui fait Kunal Onont Kunal visiterait Delhi et Agra. In India, Kunal will be visit at the Agra and the Delhi. Deni e ses amis que feront-ils? Denny et ses amis vont sortir voir un film. Dennis and his friends are going out to watch movie. Here is in 4 pictures you can see winter, summer. So first one, on hiver in winter, il fait froid et la terre est blanche, which means in winter it's cold and earth become white, or the earth is white. Au printemps in spring il fait beau, the weather is good. Les feuilles sont verts, the leaves are greens everywhere. Honnête in summer il fait chaud, it is cold, hot. Il fait du soleil, il y a des fleurs de tous les couleurs, jaune, bleu, rouge. In summer it's hot and it is sunny. There are flowers of all colors like yellow, blue and pink. En automne, il fait du vent, il pleut, le ciel est gris. In autumn, it is windy, it is raining, and the sky is grey. Next one, here is color: vert, green, jaune, yellow, noir, black, rose, brown, it's brown, gray, it's gray, rouge, red, blanc, it's white, blue, yellow, it's purple. So thank you guys. Rest of the sentence we will do in next class. And if you really like this video, then please press like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.